Hazrat Khabbab radiyallahu anhu states, As bin Wail was in debt to me. I went to him and demanded my amount. He whereupon said, I will not pay the debt until you disbelieved in Muhammad. I said to him, if you die and then be resurrected, even then I will not defy Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. He said, undoubtedly, when I will be resurrected after the death, I will pay your debt off when I will restore my property and offspring. Thereupon this verse was revealed to him. Have you seen him who disbelieved in our signs and said, I shall surely be given wealth and children? Has he looked into the unseen, or has he taken any covenant with the most affectionate? Never. No, we shall put in writing what he says and will prolong for him the torment. And for whatever he is speaking, we shall inherit, and he will come to us alone. Surah Maryam, verse 77 to 80. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6993.